Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a dear pasta. And this dear pasta is titled, I am sleeping with my church sisters, man. Why are these same people want people to come to church and praise the Lord with them? And then a thief, yeah, man. What a calamity. What a preke. And it says, greetings to you and your staff. I read your column often and I need your advice. I also listen to your radio show and I enjoy it. I'm 26 years old. I do not have any children. I grew up in a home where my father planted ganja to support us. He was not educated, but he saw to it that we went to school. I left school with 7 CSEC passes. Hold on. After my father became ill, my plans to go to college didn't materialize because I have been taking care of him. I am the only girl he has. I have a boyfriend and he helps me, but I find myself not liking him anymore because he punched me in my face once and burst my lips. I am cheating on him with another guy who is married. Me bombo. Clark. His wife and I go to the same church, but she doesn't know that we are having a relationship. So you're committing adultery, basically. Okay, whatever floats your boat. I told my father that I didn't want my boyfriend to come to the house, but he still comes around. The guy that I am having an affair with is very reliable, and when I need to get around, he takes me. My father wants me to get married. Alright, so I met another guy on a dating site. We have been talking, but I don't know how to trust him. He wants me to send him pictures of myself, and he even wants me to send nude photos, but I have not done so. I'm not that type of girl. I don't know what he would do with them. You're not that type of girl, but you sleep with your church sister husband. How convenient. How ironic. Me rotted hole. The married man has promised to give me money to go back to school now that my father is feeling much better. Do you think that I should take the money? If you're having an affair with this man, basically there is no promise of marriage. There's no promise of a relationship. There's no promise of nothing. Take the money and go on to school. That would be the best thing for you to do with your life. Honestly, that is my advice. Take the money, go on to school. If you want to continue affair for your life to live. If you don't want to continue the affair after you get the money and go to school, that's your business. I could care less. But this is a thing that I have a problem with. These Christians or so-called Christians, they like to talk about worldly and people and sinners while they are in church committing adultery, having an affair with their married sister, husband, or their married brother, wife, and then they try to look down on other people and judge them. Like, who does that? Who does that? That's very, very, I don't even know what word to say. That's disgusting, actually. So you're in front of the Lord singing praises to him every single day while you are in the back of the church, the right of your sister, husband. No wonder these pastors always, they get catch the right off these little pitney, because the pastor them corrupt, the congregation them corrupt, everybody just corrupt and disloyal and untrustworthy. Comment what your advice to her would be, because I don't have no more advice to give her. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.